Good day everyone! Welcome to the Bailiwick Academy online learning platform. I am Amir and in today's class, I will be teaching you how to make my stable boiled icing recipe. After natin gawin yung ating boiled icing, we are now ready to stack our cakes. Ngayon, ang next na ipapakita ko sa inyo is how to do the marble technique using boiled icing. Etong techniques actually pwede ninyong gamitin with buttercream and even whipped cream. So, ito yung pinaka-classic. Ang classic na medium natin na binibigyan lang natin ng mas modern na itsura. So, we are taking it to another level. Para hindi nila sinasabi na, boiled icing lang, boiled icing lang. It's actually up to us, bakers and cake artists, kung paano natin ile-level up yung medium na ginagamit natin. For our finishing touches, we will be piping peach roses, and I will be teaching you how we color our rose na peach from our basic colors, and then we'll be piping as well some leaves para magkabuhay or mas magkabuhay yung flowers natin. Here we are done covering or decorating your 3-tier cake with 3 techniques, different techniques that you can use with your future cake project.